Angela from the blog AngelaMarieMade.com. Today I'm going to show you how Brendan and I built our DIY nightstands with a drawer and a modern rustic look. For a bedroom makeover that we're currently working on, I knew that I wanted to build a pair of matching wood nightstands for each side of the bed. Currently on my side we're using my old IKEA nightstand from college, and on Brendan's side of the bed we have a set of plastic drawers. I never really liked either of them, but we've just kept them for years because they were functional. But now it's time to build a real set of matching wood nightstands, and I'm super excited, so let's get started. Begin by gathering materials. You can get the full material list, cut list, and build plans on my blog, which is linked below in the description box. But for lumber, you're going to need 2x2s, a 1x6, 1/4 inch plywood, and a 3/4 inch thick edge glued panel. These nightstands can be made with either premium wood or common knotty wood from the home improvement store. We actually built one of them with premium 2x2s, and we built the other one with 2x2 furring boards. The difference in price is about $40. It's about $90 with the premium 2x2s and around $50 with the 2x2 furring boards. Step number 2 is to add pocket holes to the boards using a Craig jig. Make sure to set your Craig jig to 1.5 inch thick wood. Add pocket holes on each side of the 2x2s that are going to be used on the sides, back, and front. For 2 of the 2x2s that are going to be used at the front, top, and back of the nightstand, add 2 more pocket holes along the sides of them and set the pocket hole depth to 3/4 inch wood for these. These holes are for attaching our top 3/4 inch panel to the nightstand frames. Add 2 pocket holes to the 2 1x6s that are going on the sides and to the 1 1x6 board that's going to be for the back of the nightstand. Step 3 is to assemble the side frames of the nightstand. Attach 2 of the 2x2 leg boards together with one of the shorter 2x2 boards on the ends using a drill and 2.5 inch Craig screws. Then add one of the 1x6 boards under the 2x2 using 1.25 inch Craig screws. Also, for this 1x6 board, place 1/4 inch wood shims or 2 paint stirring sticks stacked on top of each other under each side of the 1x6 so that it's attached 1/4 inch in from the edges of the 2x2s on the front side. To finish off the side, add another 2x2 under the 1x6. Finally, add a 2x2 at 3.5 inches up from the bottom of the leg sides, which will be for the bottom shelf. Now you have your first nightstand side frame. Repeat these steps again to create a second nightstand side frame piece. Step 4 is to assemble the back of the nightstand to the side frames. Attach the 2 side frames together and create the back of the nightstand by attaching one 2x2 at the top, followed by a 1x6 in the middle and a second 2x2 underneath of the 1x6, just like we did on the nightstand side frame pieces. Also, make sure to attach the top 2x2 that has the 4 pocket holes so that the pocket holes along the edge are facing upwards. Again, this is so we can attach our top board to the nightstand. After attaching the top boards, add another 2x2, which will be for the bottom shelf, 3.5 inches up from the bottom of the leg sides. Step 5 is to assemble the front of the nightstand to the side frames. Attach the 2 side frames together from the front of the nightstand by attaching another 2x2 that has the 4 pocket holes at the top of the side frames and facing inside. Again, make sure that the pocket holes along the inside edge are facing upwards. Finally, add a 2x2 for the bottom shelf, 3.5 inches up from the bottom of the nightstand on the front side. At this point, your nightstand is assembled and ready for the drawer box. Make sure your nightstand is square so that the drawer will be installed correctly. It's time to build and install the nightstand drawer box. Follow the instructions included with your drawer slides for installation. I used these 12-inch drawer slides, which I'm going to explain how I installed and built our drawer with them. Note, you can use 14-inch drawer slides with this build, but I just used 12 inches here since I had a pair on hand already. First, in order for our drawer slides to attach to the inside of our nightstand, we have to add wood along the inside edges so that they're flush with the wood surface to mount the slides. Screw 1/2-inch plywood or 1/2-inch wood trim. We used these 1/2-inch wood boards to both inside sides of the nightstand. Make sure to countersink the screws beneath the wood surface. Next, per our drawer slide instructions, we drew a line at 3/4 of an inch, which is the thickness of our drawer face, plus a 1/16 of an inch from the front edge of our nightstand legs on the front left and right sides. This mark is where the front of the drawer slides will be lined up. Then I marked 3/4 of an inch up from the top of the 2x2 to mark where the front bottom edge of the drawer slide should be lined up. From this mark, we used a level and drew a line along the inside to the back. Then we lined up the center of the drawer slide holes along this line. Before screwing in, use a mini level on top of the drawer slide and make sure it's still level. After checking that it's level, drill pilot holes and screw the drawer slide in place with the screws included with the slides. Repeat this process on the other side. Now it's time to build the drawer box. Measure the opening between the left and right legs and subtract 1 inch. Then cut the 1/4-inch plywood to this width by 11 3/4 inches long for the drawer bottom. We used a circular saw and straight edge guide to make our plywood cuts, but you can also use a table saw. Construct the drawer box frame using the 1x4 cut to size to match the size of your plywood drawer bottom. Use pocket holes to assemble the drawer box together. Attach the 1/4-inch plywood bottom to the drawer box with 1-inch wood screws, making sure to drill pilot holes first. After your drawer box is constructed, add the drawer slides to the sides of the drawer box. Line up the drawer slides labeled DL for drawer left and DR for the right side of the drawer on the sides of the drawer. Make sure the drawer slide fronts are attached at the front edge. Clamp the slide in place and add screws at the front and bottom sides. Again, making sure to drill pilot holes. After attaching both slides, make sure your drawer fits in your nightstand. After the drawer box is complete, add the final 2x2 to the front of the nightstand aligned with the other 2x2s. The next step is to attach the drawer face to the drawer box. Measure the opening distance, length, and width where the drawer face will be going between the 2x2 nightstand legs. You want your drawer face to be 1/4 inch less than these measurements, so there will be a 1/8 inch gap between the nightstand frame and drawer face. I sometimes like to make my drawer gaps even smaller, and I just do 1/8 inch less than the measurements. Use a miter saw and cut the remaining 1x6 board for the length cut of the drawer face. For the width cut of the drawer face, use a table saw or circular saw and straight edge and cut the width cut. Install the drawer face to the drawer box with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails. I like to hold my drawer face in place with popsicle sticks to make sure I get the gaps right while doing this. Step 8 is to install the bottom shelf of the nightstand. Measure the length and width for the bottom shelf on the lower 2x2s. Cut a 3/4 inch panel board to this size. Step 9 is to attach the top of the nightstand. Cut another piece from the 3/4 inch panel board to 16 inches by 20 inches for the top of the nightstand. Again, double check these measurements on your actual build. Attach the nightstand top with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch Kreg screws through the top 2x2s. And now your DIY nightstand with a drawer is complete. You can stain or paint the nightstands. We chose to do 1 coat of classic gray by Minwax, followed by 2 coats of early American. Then we added a satin polyurethane to finish it off. Finally, add a drawer knob or a pull to the front of your nightstand to complete it. I'm really excited to finally have a pair of real wood nightstands now. I love how they turned out, from the modern rustic look to the gold hardware and the beautiful wood finish. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you have any questions. And please subscribe to my channel for more DIY and tutorial videos. I'll be sharing more fun bedroom makeover videos soon, from the big reveal to some other projects that we have going on. Thanks again for watching.